In 2026, everyone is talking about using AI for automation, where there are some people selling you hype and promising you millions overnight. I'm here to show you the realistic data-driven way on how you can actually use Google Gemini to analyze market algorithm. I work with some of the best strategies online to build a custom master prompt framework that's called trading setup. And I'm going to be testing this exact master prompt live in this video, beginning with the demo account to trade on demo. And when we're able to set it up properly, we are going to use it to trade on live accounts. Note that this exact particular method I'm going to be sharing in this video is not 100% guarantee that you are going to make any income. This is what actually worked for me for the past 6 months, and that's the reason why I decided to share it to you guys, for you guys to test it and see what and how it definitely looks like. So right here in the screen, what we are going to be using in this exact video is our Gemini and your trading account. So there are different types of trading accounts you can use in this exact platform, where I'm going to be using this one in my screen. But if you have Meta 2, Meta 4 or Meta 5 trading or Forex, or even your Binance account, you can actually initiate it using that prompt to be able to understand which one you are using. But for instance, and for example, I'm going to be using this as our trading account, and I'm going to provide the link in the description for people that does not have any particular account for themselves. So right here, this is the way the dashboard will looks like. Like I said, we are going to be using first of all our demo account, and in our demo account we have just $8,900. So I'll also test it in demo account, and then we move to the real account. So right now, let's set up our trading. So right now, what I'm going to be trading in a trading pair, I'm going to be trading USDT Japan's currency. So when I search that, this is the exact pair I'm going to be trading on. But if you have other pair in your mind, you can actually use that for yourself. So I'm going to remove that right now. This is the exact trading view we are going to be using. So right now, what I'm going to do next is to set it in 5 minutes. Well, I'm going to show you the reason why I'm setting that in 5 minutes. So right here, this is 5 minutes, and also right here, I'm going to also set it in 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the reason why I'm setting it in 5 minutes. And in the exact per transaction or per trading we are going to be entering, I'm going to be using $100 for instance for that, because of the amount we have here. And the next step you have to pay attention is the movement of the trade and pairs. So right here, I actually selected this place. So I selected this part, then it popped out this, where we are going to selecting the moving average convergence divergence, which is the MACD. This is it right here. We are going to select it right now. So it will be on 12, 26 and 9. So after selecting that, this will actually enable our AI to understand that. And also we are going to select ADX, the average movement or index or whatever they call it. So this is it right here, 14 and 14. We are going to set it in that, and then this is it right here, that our trading is kind of ready right now for us to move to the next direction. The next direction we're going to do now is to move to the Gemini AI. So right here in Gemini AI, say get it ready, and this is it right here. It will be ready for us. Then we are going to now go over to the most important part. This is the place where everything happens, where you are going to get in the master prompt that took me a lot of time to make. So this is a master prompt. Well, this master prompt is not for free. It is selling currently on Seller, and it's cost just 7,500. So I'm going to copy it right now. So right now I'm going to copy it and come over here to paste the master prompt. So when I paste it right here, the Google Gemini will actually analyze this. So guys, you are going to see right here, this is it right now. This is what it will pop out in the screen for us. So they will ask us, welcome your advanced trading analysis assistant, blah blah blah. So the first thing it will ask us is initiate account setup. So the first stuff you ask us is, what market are you trading on? So they will ask you the market you are trading on, if it's forex, if it's this an index or stock. So we are actually trading on QX broker. So I'm going to simply copy it, and then I'm going to go back to it to paste that. Right now I'm going to put comma, so they will ask me the next thing to do, which specific trading pair or assets you are trading on. Like I said, I'm trading on USDT stroke JPY because that's the something I set up. If you are trading on another pair, you can actually select that. So which time frame are you trading on? So I'm trading on 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame. Then they will ask me, what is your current account size? So this other part is very important. Your current account size. For the demo, I'm using over 8,000 plus, so I'm going to just put $8,500 account size. But in our live account, I'm going to also show you what we are going to do that. So the next thing is, how much do you want to risk per trade? So I'm going to be risking just $100 per trade. So put in the $100. Then the next question, it will ask you, how much do you want to risk? What is your trading style? So our trading style is moving average, convergence, divergence. So this is MA, convergence, divergence, MOD, and ADX. So this is the exact stuff we are using currently. So after that, what we are going to do is to simply send that to your chatbot. So right here, this is what it will show right here. Initial configuration accepted. Market, this is it. The Cotex broker platform, this is it. Since you haven't uploaded a specific screenshot, they will show you everything in details. So now the calculation is now being done. What we are going to do next is to begin our first trade. So the first trade is to go back to the platform, remove this, and then look at it and then screenshot. So I'm going to actually screenshot that, and I'm going to go back to the platform, which is our Gemini, to upload the screenshots. So I've actually uploaded the screenshot right now. I'm going to simply send it. So right here, it will actually analyze the market now and then tell us what we are going to do at last. So right here, they will actually show me. So they say buy, which is the decision we are going to buy. So I just buy 2 right now. So what I'm going to do now, you notice that it will do all the calculation from me A to Z, and those things is it is writing right here will take a lot of time for me. So what I had to do is to just tell it to just give me the final decision. Forget about the other things. Give me only final decision. Okay, so this is what I tell it to do. So now wherever time it is giving us a new trade, it will give us the final decision to make, and that will be it, so that it will not take much of our time. So this is the trade right here. It is in 4 minutes, it's now in 3 minutes, and you can actually see that the market is actually going against us. But don't worry, things might change in the next minute. So right here, it says the confidence it has in this is 85% confidence, and why the market successfully swept liquidity at 160.150. I can't see this, my eye, low, and reject it with strong buying pressure. This upward expansion is validated by the fresh MACD bullish. So you can actually see this is the reason. And also remember, there will be always a risk reminder. Trading involves a significant financial risk. Okay, no setup guarantee profits. Like I said, this Excel setup doesn't guarantee you that you are going to make billions. It doesn't guarantee you are going to make money. It's something that I've been doing and it's working for me, so I decided to share it to you guys. Okay, so this is the way the stuff is actually going, and is actually going against us currently. And I know the reason why it is going against us, because when we are actually waiting to paste this or command it immediately, the graph or the candle have moved up more. So that's the reason why it took a lot of time. So that's the reason why anytime it tell you enter, try to enter that actual time. Okay, but let's see what it will give us. Well, let me clear some certain things in my stuff. I can see it is actually coming back to a bit of it. So guys, you can actually see that it's still moving up. We are still waiting for the graph, and you are going to see there is a pickup right here. It's actually picking up right away. We are going to see it right away right here. So it's picking up. Let's see whether it will give us a reasonable trade or reasonable amount, because don't just see because the count is moving up and blah 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 that you are winning the trade, because any minute something can happen. So we don't know. Let's see what you are going to get. So guys, you are going to see right here that this trade we won it, and two of them we actually won it, which pushed our account to a reasonable price. So we won the first trade. Remember, it's not a guarantee that you are going to win in blah 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 blah. So have it in mind. But let's try another one to see what it will also give us. So we are going to screenshot and then go back to the stuff to upload the screenshots and then send. It should have confidence 90 and it says buy. Oh, we have moved up sharp, but let's enter another buy. We have moved up because this thing pushed up more, but it still say buy, and I had to buy more because I entered in a bad place. You are going to see that the candle is already moving up. So what I will tell you is this is, we might lose this or might gain it, but what I will tell you is this is, when you are entering a trade, try to look into it well. When the candle is moving up and you just rush in and enter, you have to check or give the candle a bit of time for it to go down. At least go down a bit. Let's say it go down to this exact point, then you enter. You will see that you have more opportunity to win the trade than when the candle have pick up, then you go enter. So it will start affecting you definitely. But let's see what will happen. I believe I might lose this because I went in here. Let me just try and enter another one here. Okay, so I just entered two places, but still buy. Let's see whether there will be some impressions that will happen to it. So guys, you're going to see that that's one we rush into. We actually lost it. I told you guys that you have to wait. Even when the thing say 90%, try to understand the candle. When the candle is up more, you will see that you are going to lose the trade, because you are already in that volatile where we say it has to be doing like this before it will clock in. But you can see that even the second one we actually place is getting it like not even a close way of losing it. You are going to see right here that the second one we are getting it because we actually do what? Maintain the time to actually observe the candle to move directly opposite before entering. Because if you enter pim, you go hold it pim. So this is it, and what you are going to also experience or learn from the trade. This is not 100%. You are going to see we enter, we won it. So this is not 100% you are going to make money. There are ways you are going to also enter the trade and you are going to lose the money. So this is what we are going to see definitely in our demo account. this is a video that I know my viewers, I know the people that are watching me, they have a low retention value of watching video to the highest. But I believe this will be a good method for you when you are testing the demo. So when you have actually tested the demo or test the trade and demo and know that this is something that you can move with your real money, then you can move into the real money. So let's move into the chapter of the real money. We are going to fund our account right now and then trade with our real account. The account deposited of $10 have been successful. Remember, I say that when you are trading on this, try to actually maintain what we call setting off your Gemini, the exact amount you have in your account. But for example, don't have to repeat those processes, but when you are doing your own, try to repeat that. It's very important. So I'm going to actually screenshot right now, and then please, before we actually proceed, we are going to set this in $1, for instance, because I'm using $10 balance, so I have to set that in $1. Let me not make that mistake. And it's in 5 minutes trade. Everything is set already, so I'm going to now try to screenshot to go back to Gemini, send that. Right here it says action, wait, confidence, 65% confidence. We have to wait for this to be able to observe the market. So waiting for this, we are going to wait for this to complete and start a new trading part, or even 5 minutes before screenshotting another one. So I'm going to screenshot another one for it to also check the exact stuff. So I'm going to check right now to see whether it will also tell me wait. So whenever it say wait, I beg wait to. So that's it. Well, if you need the prompt, the master prompt, try to check out the code. If you're watching on television, try to check out the code right here. Okay, it's also said wait, confidence 60%. So if you need the master prompt, try to check out the link in the description. It's not free. It is 7,500 naira. It's worth more than the amount I'm selling it. But remember that this 7,500 naira will be a limited price for now, because maybe in 2 or 3 weeks, or even 1 week later, I might change my mind and increase the price to 15,000. So if you actually need this right now, try to join. I will provide my Telegram my Telegram handle for you to also show me your results, how much you made, because I need to hear a lot of good news from you guys, because I can't wait. Like, I can't wait. This is something I've been building for long, so I can't wait to hear the good news you guys will bring in my table. So right now, what I'm going to do is also screenshot again. So upload, buy. So it says buy. So we are going to actually calm down and buy this. If I notice a move down again, I might buy 2 times, but just that's it for it. So guys, you are going to see that is already written that you are losing this exact trade. You can actually see right that there's no way you are going to tell me that I'm winning this. So we are losing this exact one. You can actually see how pure red it is. So you have to be happy. Whether I win or lose, you have to be happy. So this is it. We lost this, so we are going to go again for it. So if we go again, let's see whether it will be also bullish. So it say buy, which is bullish. So we are going to buy. I go buy 2 times, sha. No, sir, I'm too greedy. My phone was recording and it just full, so that's why I rush in. And right here we are. I don't know what is going there. I'm still ready. But we are actually 21 seconds out almost. So let's see, because I'm seeing red now. I don't know why the red is showing, but I believe we are winning this trade. We are winning. It's not like, just leave that, we are winning it. Even if they want to see them now. So we won this trade. I won it. Like, I won it. So my balance have bounced back to $10.74. Why I'm breathing, because my phone don't full. My phone storage don't full. So But let's just try to place the last one. I don't know whether my phone can accommodate me for it, but let's just do it, because recording takes a lot of space. So I'm going to also do this, also enter that trade, send. Let's see what it will also tell us. If it tells us to wait, then I might stop here. Okay, it says wait, but you can actually see that the master prompt work. It's work, like not like say na joke. But I might do another video to back the claim, so that I might even go live. I haven't go live in a while, but I might go live because of it to show you more. But this is how these prompts work, the master prompts work, and if you follow the method, you are going to make a lot of money. But it's not a guarantee that you are going to get rich. It's not a guarantee that you are going to make money. It's a must, because you saw it here that I also lost trade. So I'm not like other YouTubers that will lose trade and cover it so that you will not say I'm be showing you, hey, they make it, hey, made that. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm showing you my honest review. And if you want to get the prompt, you can go to Seller right now. This is it in Seller. It's 7,500 currently on Seller. Simply click on buy now, and then they will provide you account where you are going to transact that. You can check out the QR code right here to scan it if you are watching me on TV, or you can check out the description or comment section to access the link.